Did you know that you can keep your face smooth, healthy, and spotless with the help of food? Let's see what's on the menu for perfect skin. We recently talked about some foods that can help make your skin pretty and free of spots, acne, and even wrinkles and fine lines. Did you watch it? No? Then check out the suggested video at the end of this one. Collagen is an important protein for the proper functioning of the body and preventing premature aging. We associate this protein, produced by our bodies, with firm skin, since it is its most known benefit. But collagen is also responsible for keeping our tendons, cartilage, and conjunctive tissues healthy. We could say it is the glue that keeps our bodies together. Did you know that? Let's see the 7 best foods that you should add to your diet to get more collagen. Garlic. Garlic contains sulfur, which is essential for collagen formation in the human body. But that's not all. It also contains taurine and lipoic acid, 2 compounds that can reconstruct damaged collagen fibers. Orange vegetables. Orange-colored vegetables like carrots and pumpkin are sources of vitamin A, capable of restoring and regenerating damaged collagen. Dark green vegetables. Dark green vegetables like spinach, broccoli, and kale are sources of vitamin C, which, as we already said, work on collagen formation. They are also rich in other essential vitamins for the proper functioning of the body. Tomato, pepper, and beet. This group contains lycopene, an antioxidant that works as a natural sunscreen, protecting the skin against sun damage. At the same time, they increase the collagen levels in the body. Liking the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Oat. Oat is a source of silica, one of the nutrients necessary for forming collagen. Besides, it contributes to weight loss since it is rich in fiber, which causes a sensation of satiety and helps curb the appetite. Nuts and almonds. Besides being a source of vitamin E, key for collagen production, nuts and almonds also have good fats that aid in keeping the skin young. The recommendation is to consume around 1/3 of a cup of nuts per day. Red berries. Red berries, like strawberry and blackberry, are a source of vitamin C and flavonoids. These have antioxidant action, which fights the free radicals and premature aging. Besides, vitamin C stimulates collagen production, as we saw before. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits have vitamin C, necessary for the synthesis of proteins that get turned into collagen. The recommendation is to eat 3 or 4 portions of citrus fruits a day. However, people who suffer from gastritis should avoid these foods since they can cause stomach ache. If your aim is to have healthier skin and avoid premature aging, add these foods to your diet and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.